Leaves hair beautiful and shiny in a few days. For today's tip, we will need coffee. And we will insert 3 tablespoons of coffee into a container. The coffee is the main item of today's tip. Have you ever used coffee as a hair product? Then we'll need cinnamon powder. And let's add a tablespoon of cinnamon powder to the container. And we will mix the ingredients very well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Lemafo Manu from Samoa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Once they are that way, we will need shampoo. And we're going to add 100 milliliters of shampoo to the container. I always use this tip, and the results are incredible. Your hair will thank you very much for making this tip. And we will mix the ingredients very well. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home, and comment if you know any tips, so I can do and teach others. Once you get that consistency, we'll sort it out for later. Now, we'll need a container to store the mixture in. I will use this one that contains a lid that releases a sufficient amount to not waste anything. We will remove the lid and support a funnel so that nothing of the mixture falls out of the container. After that, we will insert the mixture into the container. This tip helps to strengthen hair, reduce sebum on the scalp, and leave hair brighter. Then, we will cover the container, which will be ready for use. Now I will show you how to use today's tip. This tip can be used to make any hair and beard grow faster. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. This tip is amazing. The result will surprise you. This blend is ideal for the health of your hair, including your beard, will look much brighter after using this blend. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me the result you had in your hair. See you in the next video. Bye.